welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another mukbang. I know y'all hadn't seen a mukbang in a long time, but your girl is back. And today we are having a seafood boil. We have here, first of all, I have Lex and Zoe here with me today.
Zoe and Lex.
Say hey, Lex and Zoe, Zoe and Lex. Zoe and Lex.
You pointed at me first.
And what we have here, we have lobster tails, we have sausages, we have shrimp, corn, cucumber, eggs. What these are?
Sausages, lobster tails.
Crawfish. We have some crawfish.
I mean, yeah, that.
And we have corn. So, before I get into this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that post notification bell on so you won't miss my next video. And we gonna say these grace and we can get into it because we hungry. Bow your head. Lord, bless this food we're about to eat. Bless the person who prepared this meal. Bless the ones about to eat this meal. In God's name, pray. Amen.
Amen.
Amen, amen, amen. Let's do a thumbnail right quick. Pick up a lobster tail. Y'all scared?
Nope.
Pick it up. Pick. Wait, let me do a lobster tail and a corn.
How do you even eat these? What? Eat it.
Come on. Okay. Oh, this is my first time. Go eat. You can. Oh, you just had your hand on that one.
But I ain't touched it though.
Why you trying to get the biggest
got more
one?
seasoning on it. Oh well.
It's the same thing. She greedy, y'all. She being greedy.
How's that being greedy?
And y'all, I have my beloved sauce. Oh, I should have got me a spoon. I don't know how we gonna do this, but it's my lobster tail, y'all. Hope I ain't overcooked it. This is my first time tasting this sauce, y'all. Oh, it's a lot of stuff on there too. Look, I don't want to hide the ball, but look. I got a lot of onions in here, y'all. It's hot too. Uh-oh, so. Think I let them stay in the oven too long, but that's all right. We're gonna eat them. Yeah, I let them stay in the oven too long. How you like sauce?
It's alright.
Don't come on here hollering about it's alright.
It's the same thing as good if I say it.
Yeah, this was my first time ever cooking lobster tail, but it turned out alright. Oh, I let them cook a little too long, but hey, that's fine.
Spicy.
What spicy this sauce? Yeah, we just reaching your way. It is a bit spicy. How y'all dating, girls?
Good.
You said boring? You must have been on the phone all day.
You told me not to. What the heck?
And you listen to me?
No, you told her not to be in the bed all day.
That's why I said don't be in the bed all day.
I've been watching Matilda.
You like Matilda?
Who don't? Matilda.
I'm on gonna eat these.
Y'all ain't no pro yet because you see I'm dropping it on my shirt. But that's fine too. This sauce is busting. Who be saying that though?
Legs, and Zoe got it from Legs.
No, I actually didn't.
Where you get it from?
School. People been saying it at school.
Beloved, this sauce is bomb.com. Especially with them eggs, y'all.
I better go and eat some coffee. I've been there, Mom.
You can eat. Put that over there. Eat as many as you want. You want another one in? You ain't like them? I overcooked them. That's fine. I'll get it right the next time. Which this was my first time cooking them, so. Look at that sauce, y'all. Want to taste it? It's the same as that. It's just bigger.
Can I get an egg?
How you ask me, can you get it?
Because you probably didn't want me to get one of these either.
I hear it all.
I'm sorry.
All the juices.
Ugh.
Right.
I wonder what made me stop liking eggs.
You ate egg this morning.
I'm talking about boiled eggs.
Ooh. Yeah, that sauce is giving me the spice of them. The more you eat it, but it's good. It got a good taste to it.
What I believe beloved sauce is.
Right here, this it.
I thought you made it.
I did with her seasoning. That pack over there.
What you supposed to drink? These right here.
Supposed to suck it.
These right here.
I don't want to suck that.
Okay.
That's how you're supposed to. Just saying.
You peeling them right? Yeah, at first Lexi would not touch these things. When she first saw them, she wouldn't touch it at all.
Like my cup.
She was scared of it, but she wanted to eat it. But she wants somebody else to peel it for her.
But now I'm not scared. I can do it myself. Because I'm a big girl.
Ooh, that corn. It's good. Ooh, look out.
How many times you gonna say, look out?
That's some good stuff.
Okay, now let me try it.
The sauce.
Yep.
The first bite ain't too spicy, but the more you keep eating it, you can taste it. You eat that?
No.
What?
Caught me off guard.
It's hot. That's how you know y'all. That's how y'all know she don't eat spicy stuff. She didn't even have them up. You gonna drink that whole juice?
This fried juice. Some cranberry apple.
Excuse me.
I feel like
I have a whole lot of them.
I know. You told me give me as I want.
It was a lot of them.
It tastes good with the cucumbers.
Just a the only thing I'm eating. It's the crawfish. And my corn.
I'm gonna let you keep that.
Keep what?
That's all. So you can freeze it. And whenever you want to eat something else, you can
Keep talking.
reuse it.
Oh.
Y'all been saying I've been going hard for y'all. Y'all might not post this video not until Sunday. I'm starting to start it off.
Look at the eyeballs. Weird. It's looking at y'all.
No, we're looking at you.
No, it was looking at you.
And it's looking at you now.
We're looking
Y'all
at
look at
each
my
other.
shirt.
That's
Leave,
real.
Mom.
See, I ain't no pro.
Apparently I am. I don't got nothing on my shirt.
I ain't gonna know how much I got.
You ain't eating sauce.
What's live?
Alright, let's see. Again.
Excuse me. Who just burped?
I'm laughing at Liz.
Oh. It ain't that
Hot.
spicy. It ain't hot. Why? Why do you want to go all the way in?
Yeah, I'm getting full now.
I'm not. It's like I haven't eaten.
Excuse me, y'all making me.
Good.
Oh, I need a good burp.
Yeah, ain't eating crawfish at all.
Go eating.
Come on.
I ain't really this one.
Are you shocked about that? I'm gonna go ahead and let you have your moment. I'm not gonna go.
What if we weren't recording?
Then I would have been mad. We done sat here and ate up all, most like everything on the thing.
I ain't seen nobody eating.
Y'all ate, who all ate eight?
Yeah, I want to
Me?
eat.
That was your ass. I thought I had cooked 4.
You did cook 4. You ate 2.
Oh, and you got one share.
Ugh.
Ooh.
How she eat 2? And
I mean,
you
she
cook
oh,
4?
she only ate 1, and I got 1. Let's got 1.
I need it.
My turn.
I haven't had no good burps lately.
Can't burp.
Tasha, we sick of you. She's so ready for her baby to land back in Germany, which I don't blame her, but baby, she been talking about that all day.
What kind of burp was that?
Sound like a scream, sound like a bird, sound like a... Is it recording?
Yeah. Sorry for the interruption. Talking about Tasha, and then she called. Speak of the devil.
Excuse me. You're nasty.
And then I talk about nobody being nasty.
I'm y'all start. Y'all already know we ain't gonna eat all this. Cause we already full.
I'm not.
Excuse China for barking.
Excuse me for burping.
But we gonna go ahead on and end this video.
Wait! All the crawfish I ate, you guys. shower after that.
Okay, stop eating for a second. Let me eat this video.
Go ahead.
What are you crunching on?
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that post notification bell on so you won't miss my next video. And we out.
Peace.
Love you guys. Peace.
No, you said that wrong.
No,
Peace. Love you guys.
I say love you guys. Then I say peace.
Can I pause it?
Yeah.
You used to say